Are you doing video? Just take some pictures. You're hungry again.
It's not even been an hour and a half, has
I think it's been 2. What do you think? Okay, back under the water. Here we go. He doesn't care.
Wide awake. Oh, he's gonna be gone.
I think he's wanting food is what he's wanting.
Somebody just said this.
Whoa, close the eye on that one.
They said to use a washcloth on his eyes. And the rest, your hands are good.
That's probably the best stuff.
You looking at the camera? Help! Help me! Help me!
You don't mind.
Whoa! I
Yeah.
missed just barely.
Now
I'm
he
not
might.
that bad, am I? You
I
forgive
think I
me.
need to. Well, I could do it like this.
You forgive me.
I'll forgive you. You didn't even react that much when you did it.
I didn't mean to do that. I don't know why I did that.
Alright, think we got you here, good.
You.
Good job, bud.
I should just let that on. Okay, now I need to use this thing. So,
What we gonna do?
where's that? You did it?
Yeah, that's not as fun.
Alright, what's the plan here, James?